Tek head insert. How do they wrap this thing? All right, there's the O-ring. There's the head. I have this set for a 93 octane, 0 to like 100 feet. I think that was it that it required. The milling to me looks kind of cheap, like it wasn't really a good job, but I don't know if that has any performance impact. Like some of the milling in here, you can see view, but there's kind of some edges where the tool just went in and then moved over and went in. I've never worked on bikes before. I've never installed a head. I've honestly never had a header off and peering into a cylinder, so it'll be kind of interesting. So I honestly have no idea how to even start. I presume I got to take out the seat, and then from there, I guess we'll just kind of wing it per se. I mean, honestly, I just have to get to the top of that header. I know that I have to take off a piece to put this guy in. So we'll see. Again, I'm a complete noob. So I won't even be able to use this. Maybe ratchets all the way. Bam. I'm assuming to get down there we need to take this guy off. A little dirty in there. This is off. I'm a wimp when it comes to getting hands dirty working on the computer all day. No, I'm just kidding. I just don't like coming in smelling like gas or solvents and stuff, especially on my hands with my kids. We got a little bit more in there. Oh, first try. Oh, yeah, it was. Oh, yep, it's there. Oh, yeah, it's there. Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes. Okay, that thing's dripping. Oh, it's just getting everywhere. Is it supposed to leak like that right away? Oh, you know what? I should have left that on there because then it would have had a vacuum. That honestly doesn't seem like that much. Hopefully I don't get killed for having clear coolant on the floor if I had this the right way. Hard to see. Okay, that's out. Oh, I still gotta remove this. That really didn't work. Maybe I come at that from the other side. I honestly hate using the other guys. Yeah, I don't even know the technical name for these things, so don't make fun of me. There we go. Feels like they have nothing to them. Oh yeah, especially going towards the rads. I'm a little sketch, but that's okay. Having big hands, it's definitely an issue. It's hard to get in these little areas. Damn, I'm good at dropping these things. It'd be a lot easier if I didn't have fat fingers, I'm telling you. Just clean up around here real quick. What are we doing? Oh, that was sketchy. Oh, and that guy came up. I'm assuming this little guy isn't supposed to come with it. The comparisons in milling, you can really see on these profiles the differences. Maybe I'll make a necklace out of that. Get rid of all that nasty on there. Make sure that O-ring's on. Assuming this has to line up. There we go. That's better. Bam. Oh. There we go. Man, I wish I had some knee pads right now. How does one get that back on? Oh, just like that. Never mind. That was easy. Let's put this bad boy back on. 18. So I'm putting don't lose horsepower ice, engine ice, high performance coolant into this guy. Pour it in. Oh no, oh, until it does that little sploosh thing. Okay, nothing yet. I really hope I didn't do something wrong. Oh. It's coming out of the hole. Oh yeah. Rise up, my bubbles. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's try this again. Oh man, I'm just pouring this everywhere, but. How do these guys go on? Oh, just like that. Shrouds on. Stick this guy back on first. Well, that's not it. There we go. Got those all back on. Time for the seat. Perfect. I realized I forgot one thing when I was going to start doing the reeds install. Came down here, you know, start getting this stuff off, and saw that I forgot to attach the gas line. All right, first start up, we put in the Tek header. Maybe I should pull this. It's probably cold. It's a lot colder out today.